Hello and welcome to Timmy's 10 again for an unboxing of a couple of 2022 Hot Wheels. And I've been putting these ones off since last year because I didn't want to pronounce them wrong. But now I don't care. I believe it's in Italian. It's Automobili Pininfarina Battista. That's the best I'm going to do. And it's from the Hot Wheels Exotic series, number 2 of 10 in that series. And number 171 of 250 on the year. Should we try it again? Automobili Pininfarina Battista. Hot Wheels Exotics. Exotic supercars always ready to race. 2021 copyright. And these are identical. We have blue and yellow. Not sure which one came out first. We're going to go with the yellow to open first. Ooh, not bad for a really quick opening. Black mags on this guy. Nice solid yellow. All 4 wheels did roll well. Plastic bottom. This car is made in Malaysia. We got mad sun right now. It should help us, though. It should help us get good views. Good views into the car. The driving is on the left, so we don't get a glare. Painted headlights, painted taillights, and license plate. Very cool. I'm liking it. Set it up right there. Let's get the blue one open. Took the whole bubble off on that one. Can we repair it if we wanted to? Whoop! 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 All right, let's see now. Wheels roll well. Car looks nice. Same deal as the yellow, all painted. Plastic bottom, metal top. I believe I said the yellow was metal on the top of that other one. And driving still on the left. These cars are identical except for the color and the mags. Both roll straight. See how they roll on my track. And that's a flip over. Let's go slow. Wants to flip over. So let's try backwards. Ooh, a railroad. All the way. Boom. Now blue. Actually, I didn't do the other. Oh, I didn't do squeezing the ball yet on the yellow. Oh, it seems like the same. Yes. Backwards. Backwards. No, let's go frontwards first. Yep. Now backwards. Aha. Now backwards. Ha-ha. Whoop, whoop. Whoop, 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 whoop. I don't want to chip them. Go crazy there. All right, yellow was first, so let's try to drift in now. Oh, back to the line. Almost. Whoa, little different. Little different. Nice! Whoa! Can I drift them at the same time, you think? All right, ready? Oh, it's coming back! Right to the line! Both of them got points. Well, thank you everybody for tuning in and checking out this one. Very cool cars and color variations. Thanks for tuning in and checking it out with me. Please subscribe to Timmy's 10 again. Hit that notification bell to see more videos like this one. I like the blue and yellow together too. Till next time, T10 out.